Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. And in this video, I will show you how to archive inbox in Gmail. Let's say you want to archive an email and you can't really figure out how to do it. You've tried many ways. How can you actually archive an email? Let me show you. First, open your Gmail app. Here, tap and hold on to the email that you want to archive, and then you will see many options on the top. And at the very first, left to trash icon, you will see a box with a downward arrow. That is the archive button. Tap on that and then confirm it, and your email will be archived. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.